How to download and install the Steam software for your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download Steam for your Windows 11 PC. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps listed out in this video. So the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice. Be it the Google Chrome or the Microsoft Edge, just open any web browser. So in this my case, I will be using the Google Chrome application. So here I am in the Google Chrome, and then once you are inside the web browser, simply search for Steam download. So once you have searched for this particular thing, you can see the first link from store.steampower.com that says Steam, the ultimate online game platform. So simply click onto the first link from this particular website and it will open the Steam official website. Now from here it will automatically detect your system and the architecture. So for example, currently my system is a Windows 64 system, so it has automatically detected it. If you also want to download it onto a Mac system or let's say any other system, then it will automatically do so. So what you need to do is simply click onto this install Steam button and it will automatically download the best suitable file for you. And here you can see that the exe file has been successfully downloaded. So simply click onto this open button and let the installer open. So it might ask you for a permission, on which you need to click onto the yes, and here it says welcome to Steam setup. So simply click onto this next button and from here you need to select the language that you prefer for this installation. So currently I'm choosing it to English, and once you have chosen the language, simply click onto the next button to proceed, and then it will ask you for a file location of the Steam application. So I will let it remain to the default, but if you want to change it, you can simply click onto this browse button and then choose the path to any folder that you want Steam to be present in. So then simply click onto the install button and here you can see that the installation for Steam has been successfully completed, and it says Steam has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close setup. You can check mark onto this run Steam button so that once I will click onto this finish button, Steam will run automatically. So here you can see I have finished the process and it is saying updating Steam. So it will first try to update the Steam application and it will download an update of this particular size, and once the update will be completed we will be able to launch our Steam platform. So let us wait for the update to get finished. So as here you can see that after the update has been successfully completed, it will try to extract the package, and once the package has been extracted, we will be able to use our Steam application. So once the package has been updated or extracted, it will install this update to the application, and here you can see that the same has also been completed and now we can launch our Steam platform. And here you can see that it is asking me to currently log in, and once I will do this login we will be able to use the Steam platform. So let's log in quickly and then I will show you the Steam interface. So right after finishing up with the login process, you can see that I have entered my Steam deck, and from here I can browse the Steam platform as usual. So that's how easily you can download and install the Steam application for your Windows 11 computer. So that's all for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.